All right, and welcome back, everybody. So, the biggest thing to discuss in this latest update is going to be the crafting system. A couple of things have changed since the last time. This is the going to be the crafting and improving window. Last time we left off with gathering, we had different tiers of material. Currently looking at implementing just a single a rock shard as a rock shard. There won't be multiple tiers, and we'll get into that in a second when it comes to how the improvement system will actually function. So instead, when you have various levels of pickaxes equipped, so we just equip this one right here. So when you're using a tier 3 pickaxe now, it's only going to allow you to essentially gather between 1 and 3 rock shards, and it's not going to be 3 every single time, so it'll just be a specific number. A random number in between the two. And if I equip my tier 10, we should be able to see higher numbers above 3. So that was 7. Got 3 there randomly. The other thing that you'll notice is that as soon as the harvesting action is finished now, it's just going to continue right into the next harvest. So you don't stop unless you either move, which will cancel it, or if you just press E again anywhere on the screen, it'll just cancel that. You can press it on the item or on the harvestable as well. But yeah, until you do some other type of interaction, it will just continue to harvest. Another small feature that's been added, you'll see every time that the pickaxe strikes the rock here, there's a little flashing effect. Essentially what this will lead into is for sound effects and any particle effects, but this is just the base behavior that allows something to happen to show that you are currently striking and mining from this rock shard here. All right, so that's the couple of things that have changed on the gathering side. Now to talk about crafting. So last we left off, I had also learned level 3 crafting for pickaxes. So the pickaxe recipe, I don't even know if I have enough to learn tier 4. Let's see if I do. I do. All right, so now I have learned tier 4. So now I'll be able to craft up to a tier 4, well, improve up to a tier 4 pickaxe. So what's going to happen right now is we'll start the crafting. Once it's complete, it'll give you a tier 1 pickaxe. What you'll do from there is you will equip the tier 1 pickaxe into the improvement slot. It tells you that the current level is 1 and that you can increase it up to tier 4 essentially. So you can just hit improve, and this is just going to continue to use the required materials. So you'll see it's counting down here. This is the amount that you need. This is the amount that you have. And this will essentially just keep improving until this gets to level 4, which is the max that you can improve it to. Also added some the cancel button, so when you're crafting, if you start crafting an item and then you want to stop, you can, mostly because if you are in the middle of doing an improvement, the server will let you know that you cannot do that, and vice versa. You can't improve while crafting either. And I'm just gonna let this thing run all the way up to 4 while we're waiting around right now. All right, so it's been improved to tier 4. This is obviously, well, I shouldn't say obviously. This is the current speed is probably very fast right now, just for testing purposes. But if I go to trying to improve it, the server will say that I cannot do that because I can only improve things to tier 4. You can't put in items that can't be improved into the improved slot either. And currently, swords and bows will eventually be allowed to be improved. I just have not implemented that yet. But those obviously be items that get improved. So any gear, equipment, tools will all be able to have the tiers improved. So that's what we have for now. And let's see. Everything seems to be functioning the way that it should. One other thing on the crafting side is probably a good idea to look at the actual skill points. So, all right, so let's pop this into the improve slot, and we'll start improving. So you'll see every tick of the improve, it's going to increase your crafting. Improving items is going to be designed to be a primary way to gain skill experience for crafting. All right. Anyways, so this is live on the website. So this is the current live version of everything. It has been updated. So feel free to log in, test things out, try to break things if you can, and just remember the bows will increase your move speed. So if you want to zoom around real fast, equip bows, and you can just obviously create those from the admin panel. Alrighty, and that's all for now.